Welcome back, intellectual property enthusiasts. In our final segment, we weigh the pros and cons of domestic and international trademark registration in India. Let's find out which path suits your business best. Examination and advertisement in India. Domestic registration involves meticulous examination and a crucial 4-month advertisement phase. This is where any opposition to your trademark may surface. But what about international registration through the Madrid system? Let's explore. Madrid system, cost versus convenience. The Madrid system offers the advantage of registering in multiple jurisdictions with one application. It's a more streamlined process, but does it outweigh the potentially lower costs of a domestic application? The choice may depend on your business strategy. Conclusion of this video. As we wrap up, remember, the decision between domestic and international trademark registration is a strategic one. Consider the needs and objectives of your business. And if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed, remember, 4AIP Solution is here to guide you through every step of the way. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the world of intellectual property. Until next time, I'm Ansi, signing off from 4AIP Solution.